Good morning, dear children. Hope you all had a happy weekend. Now let's begin our maths class. Till now we learnt about both the number system. Today we will learn about Roman numbers. You already know that we use symbols to write the Roman numerals. And do you know that there isn't any symbol to represent 0? Now the 7 basic Roman numerals are I, the value of which is 1, V, 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, M, 1000. Now let's look into the rules for forming Roman numerals. The first one, when a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it is repeated. For example, I has been written here 3 times. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. In the next one, X has been written 3 times, where the value of X is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Similarly, C has been written 3 times. The value of C is 100. So the total value is 300. Here, we must remember that only I, X and C can be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. And most important is that a symbol can be repeated up to 3 times in a number. Now, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of a greater value, the smaller value is added to the greater value. See the example? VI. V is 5 and I is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. LX. The value of L is 50 and X is 10. So it becomes 60. MXXVI. M is 1000 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. It becomes 1026. The third rule, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of a greater value, the smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. Example, IV. Here V is 5 and the value of I is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So IV is equal to 4. XL. Here X is 10 and L is 50. So 50 minus 10. So XL is 40. XC. Again C is 100, which is the greater value, and X is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So XC is 90. I hope you understood, children. The next rule. When a smaller numeral is placed between 2 greater numerals, then it is always subtracted from the numeral immediately following it. See here, XIV. So the smaller numeral is I and the greater numeral that follows it is V. So we write it as X is 10 plus 5 minus 1. That is 10 plus 4, 14. CXLI. Here, C is 100, L is 50 and the smaller numeral is X. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So XL is 40 plus I is 1. Thus the total sum is 141. CXIV. Here again C 100, X is 10. Again you have to subtract I from V. That is 5 minus 1. That is 4. So 100 plus 10 plus 4 is 114. I hope you understood the rules, children. Now let's look into exercise 1F. Now when we write the Roman numerals, always recall the rules that you have read. So now here the first one, write the corresponding Hindu-Arabic numeral. What is the Hindu-Arabic numeral? That is the numbers that we use. Okay, so that is what you have to write here for the Roman numeral given here. Here it is written XLII. So XL is, L is 50, 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 42. Next one, LVI. L is 50, V is 5 plus I is 1. So the answer is 56. The next one is XCI. Here again, X is written on the left side of C. That means we have to subtract the value. So C is 100, X is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90 plus I is 1. So the value is 91. The next one, CCCLXIX. So this is very simple. 3 times 100, that is 300. L is 50 plus X is 10 and then IX is 9. So the answer is 369. Next one, MMDLX. M is 1000. So 2 times 1000 plus D is 500 plus L is 50 plus X is 10. So the answer is 2560. Write the corresponding Roman numerals for the following. Here it's written 38. You have to write the Roman numeral for this. 3 times 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So X, 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 V, I. 96. So how do we write 90? 100 minus 10. The symbol for 100 is C and the symbol for 10 is X. So we write it as XC, 5 is V and 1 is I. So we write it as XCVI. Next one, 437. So we know that we cannot repeat a symbol 4 times, isn't it? So we cannot write C 4 times here. So what do? We subtract 100 from 500. 37 we have. So 3 times 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So we write it as CDXXXVII. 165. 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5. So we write it as CLXV. Next one, 335. So 3 times 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So we write it as CCCXXXV. Now, there are few questions given here. Some of the Roman numerals are meaningless. Why is it meaningless? You have to explain. DCVX. So you see here children, this is meaningless. Why? Because here V is written on the left side of X, which means we have to subtract it from 10, which is not possible. In fact, if you remember the rules, it has been said the symbols VLD is never subtracted. Now see the next one, DLXII. This is correct. Go to the next one, CMXI. This is also right. The fourth one, MCXXII. So children, if you remember, none of the symbols can be repeated more than 3 times. But here I has been repeated 4 times, so it is meaningless. The last one, that is also correct. Write the following years in Roman numerals. Interesting, isn't it, children? 2018. So 2 times 1000. X is 10. VII. That is 8. So MMXVII. Next one, 2019. So again 2000 you write it as mm, x is 10 and 9 you know how to write ix. 2020 xx. 2021 the present year mmxxi. Now you have to write the Roman numerals in sequence 10 to 15. This is very easy, you know how to write. Next one 85 to 90. So now here you just pay attention. 85 is written as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So LXXXV and then next and next number, and 90 is written as XC. And the third one 1050 to 1055. So 1000 is M and 50 is L. So ML, MLI and so on till the last symbol. So this is all you have to write, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.